down, brother. Huh? Go down, brother. Okay, you.
Go ahead.
We zip it.
Oh.
Okay, stop.
Go ahead. No, go ahead. One more time.
We zip it.
Oh, yeah.
Zip it.
All right.
Zip it and no way.
Okay. How do you feel about this? How do you feel about this?
Scared.
Scared? How about you?
I feel good.
You?
I'm good. Like, why wouldn't I feel good? Like, it's life. You
Jalen,
never
how you
not
feel?
Good. Feeling good.
Feeling good? Okay. How are we feeling?
We're feeling good, excited.
Yeah. I wish I could fake it. I think I'm wondering what did I get myself into? But hey, yeah. I'm talking.
How about you?
I'm not going. Get out of my face.
I'm too scared.
I'm ready to go. It's going to be great.
Hold the phone.
All right, how we feeling?
Good. Great.
Good? Great? Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's go. All right. All right.
Higher up in the line from you. That's why we got first.
Okay, so how are we doing so far?
Dad, after this one, I almost peed my pants.
What? Oh,
Well, kind of, but no.
no.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay.
I feel like.
Savannah, how you doing?
Good.
Good? Okay. How are we doing so far?
So far, we're good.
Good?
I'm surviving, yeah.
All right. Over halfway through. How you all feeling?
Gra, gra, gra. Everybody shot. That's all I have to say.
I'm feeling good as long as I don't fall.
That good, huh?
Because I got hit by an entire leaf.
Here we go!
I don't want to go
In the rainforest.
Rainforest for the rain. Oh, this is literally cold. I know.
Man, I got thunderstorm.
No. Yeah. Whoa, in the rainforest.
Yeah, done.
How's that? In the rain, how's it going?
We're gonna go like fast. We're gonna like.
Super fast.
I'm not gonna get stuck in the rain.
Zip lining in the rainforest. How we feeling?
Cold. Zip it in the rain.
Go ahead.
We zip it.
Oh,
Okay, stop.
go ahead. No, go ahead. One more time.
We zip it.
Oh, yeah.
Zip it.
All right.
Zip it in the rain.
Okay.
Did you bump your head? Maybe just the thing was sitting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got like a red mark on your head.
I don't know if that's... Oh, I didn't know. How was it, buddy? Good? Good experience? How was it for you?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad at all in there. Yeah. We made it.
Great. Zuri, how was it?
My baby.
Okay. Savannah, how was it?
It was good.
All right. How was it? Oh, that's right. You didn't do it. How was it, Jalen?
Good.
It was good. How was it, Kazo?
I'm sleeping.
Okay.
Now I'm just joking.
Was it good?
It was kind of boring.